Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel I introduce best crypto games, projects and airdrops. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to do the raffle of yesterday's video about the 8 whitelist spots for Lumiterra game. I hope you will be one of the winners. Let's do this raffle. I'm doing this raffle with the help of this website, commentpickers.com. Number of winners is 8 and the comment must contain the word Lumiterra. And I have to give it the link of my video about Lumiterra. Let's do it and see the winners. It takes some time to show the results. Okay, these are our lucky winners. These winners have to write a comment with the same YouTube account in the comment section of this video. Just write, "I'm the winner." I will reply to your message and ask you a Telegram ID. Then I will send you a message with the official Telegram ID of Crypto Earner with this spell, CRTEarner_EN, and ask you for a running wallet address. Note that the official Telegram channel of my YouTube is @CRTEarners, as you always see here, and my official Telegram ID is CRTEarner_EN. This ID is just for promotion purposes and giving away rewards like this. I will send you a message with this ID, CRTEarner_EN. Please be aware of scammers and never share your important information with anyone else. I just want a running wallet address from you, nothing more. And one more important tip, these winners just have 24 hours to write a comment in the comment section of this video. Congratulations to the winners, and if you were not one of the winners, I hope you win in the next events. Note that you can always participate in the giveaway events of Lumiterra official Discord, so always check their Discord. Thanks for watching, love you, bye.